Meet Clara. She's a ceramic artist and she's ready to sell online. She chose Odoo for her e-commerce solution to create new products instantly, build beautiful product pages easily, earn payments commission-free, provide a checkout crystal clear and easy, manage orders effortlessly, edit her website freely, and use AI smartly. Let's start from the beginning. Odoo automatically picks a color palette straight from her shop's logo. Thanks to AI, Odoo selects beautiful pictures and writes compelling text tailored to her ceramics business. Clara feels like adding her personal touch, so she just drags and drops building blocks, no code notions needed. Change the layout, adjust the product page, or redesign the shop section exactly as she wants. Odoo adapts to every business. She can configure the layout of her catalog page as she wishes, with many templates available that can be changed at any time, for free, of course. Clara just created a new bowl. It's time to push it online. She can do it in seconds. Simply add a title, price, a picture, and there she goes. Clara can manage filters and attributes like colors and textures easily, and showcasing them nicely on her website. Perfect to display the different options to her customers without annoying extra clicks. Also, with Odoo badges and ribbons, it's easy to highlight her favorite collection. Even the wish list design can be customized, making her products more desirable and easier to purchase when customers are ready. On the product page, everything is customizable, from adding videos and extra media to showing detailed textures. The product page template is customizable to her needs and can also be adapted, with larger buttons or boxed options to improve accessibility and readability. Clara's lacking inspiration to describe her new orange mug, so she uses AI to help her write her product descriptions. Clara has created a new mug that is cooking for now, but she hasn't taken a picture yet. Thanks to AI-generated pictures, she can use a placeholder until her real pictures are ready. With the SEO optimizer, Odoo ensures that the titles, descriptions, and links are perfect for search engines, automatically. Odoo supports over 180 payment methods, giving you the flexibility to do business anywhere. And with them displayed right in the footer, your customers can feel confident and reassured. The checkout? Crystal clear, so no one gets lost before confirming their order. Even click and collect is supported, perfect for customers who prefer to pick up their order. The cherry on top? Odoo takes no commission on payments. What she sells is what she earns. Oh, a new order already! Odoo lets Clara check every order's status at a glance. What's to fulfill, what's to confirm, what's to invoice. Selling worldwide? Odoo offers the possibility to connect with multiple carriers, making it easy to offer the right shipping options wherever her customers are located. Clara is expanding her activity and offering paint on ceramics workshops to her fellow clients. With the seamless integration of the Appointments app, they can now book a slot in just a few clicks. Good thing, she didn't have to pay extra to provide appointments. All apps are included in her Odoo online subscription. Whether you sell ceramics, flowers, coffee, burgers in a food truck, or you rent electric bikes, Odoo e-commerce fits every business need. It's modular, flexible, and designed to grow with you. Start your e-commerce for free at odoo.com.